liquors. Alright, what do we got here today? The little true. What's our model number? We got the old TSSU27 12M. And what we got is, I'll show you guys, we got a bad temperature control. So you get your coils iced up like this. Where the frost pattern's complete like that, you usually got a bad temperature control, and it's not opening on temperature fall. If you usually have just a frost pattern on this end where the cap tube is, and the rest of the coil is clean, that's usually tells you you're low on charge. Right here we got the Memorial Day tool bag going. So we're going to change out that temperature control. I got a new one right here. Here is original recipe. I'd love to see how old this box is. Just out of curiosity. It's our probe right there. And we'll come down here and get the stat out. Crusty. Oh, wow, look at this one. Original recipe, 1995. Old timer. Wow, that's incredible. Good stuff. Use that in. I'm gonna let it air defrost. I got it set on 0 right now. When I get that coil good and defrosted, and then we'll get it back online and gauge up on it. Gasket's in great shape. It's an old box, 95, still working. It's amazing. Old timer. Smart probe hooked up. And we got most of the ice off of that coil. Let's set our thermostat and see if this thing comes on here. There she goes. I'll show you guys a screenshot of the smart probe here. Let's check it out. All right, that's it. We got this one all done. Bad thermostat on a makeup table on Memorial Day.